Hey friends, if you wish to download and install all Canon printer driver for Windows 11 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, check the model number of your Canon product. For example, I have a Canon 3012 printer. Okay, and then I will just simply search for printer drivers. In my case, for 3012 I will have to go to the 3010 website, but you may have an HP printer or an Epson printer, so please go to the website accordingly. Then all you need to do is click on download and click on open and let it install the software. But here's the catch, you don't need it these days. I'll be honest, these days to connect a printer you do not need its drivers and all you need to do is right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, select printers and scanners, click on add device, find it and add it. That's how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.